Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make an awareness video on selection of vendor for installation of an 3 kilowatt plant. So these are the three types of vertical structures of height 4 feet, as well as you can see the length, it is of 4 feet, and next structure is of 5 feet height, and the upper structure, the back structure is of 6 feet height. So these are the three different combinations that are used generally by the vendor. You can use this 6 feet at the back and 4 feet at the front, and 6 feet at the back as well as 5 feet at the front. Now see here. So this all galvanized iron is an hot dipped material. So where this is an zinc coated one, where it can withstand from resistance for 25 years, and here we are going to use the cross arm for supporting these vertical structures for the design of a 3 kilowatt plant. Okay, so here at this warehouse we can see here there is a lot of material which is of 4 feet, 5 feet as well as 6 feet. Okay, so this is very useful to how to select an vendor who maintains the genuine quality, which is an hard dip galvanized iron. So this is the back at the see here. You're going to have an earthing powder, and let us try to see here what are the remaining components that are maintained by the warehouse where we have been visited. Okay, and this is the panels that are used at the warehouse, which is of made from Tata. And now let us try to go in detail what manufacturer and what are the brands available structure. Now let us try to see here what kind of panels we are going to use. So these panels are made by Tata, and each panel rating is a 590 watt peak. Okay, and here you can see here this is the original bifacial Tata solar panel, which has, you can see here the genuinity. Here we have an QR scanner which is used to identify whether these are original or dupe, and these are manufactured by Tata Power Solar Plant. Okay, and coming to the dimensions, here the length of the solar panel is 8 feet. Okay, this is the length of the solar panel. And coming to the breadth, they are going to have a breadth of 4 feet. Directly you can see on the tape. Okay, so this is the size of an single panel like this. When you are installing a Tata plant like this, 6 will be provided for you, which is 3500 watts. Okay, so 590 into 6, which is nothing but 3500 watts. After completing the panel installation, you're going to have the input box, which is called as a DC DB box, which is DC supply distribution box. And here you're going to have an SPD inside it, which is called surge protection devices to withstand the lightning arrestor. So the output of the DC supply will directly come to the inverter, where this inverter is called a grid tied inverter. So now the rating of the plant is 3500. So here you can see here this is an Tata grid connected inverter of rating of 3600 watts. Okay, so this is especially manufactured by Solix, and it is under the type of Tata Power Limited. Okay, so now coming to the next. So like this, you may have a 3 kilowatt inverter or an 5 kilowatt inverter. So when you are opting a 5 kilowatt solar plant under PM Surya Ghar Mafti Bijli Yojana, so then you are going to get this 5 kilowatt inverter. Okay, and after the output of the inverter, we are going to have an AC distribution box. This is called an AC distribution box, and output of the inverter is connected to this AC distribution box, and from here directly we are going to connect the output of the meter. Okay, and this is the earthing wire, which is nothing but copper 4 square mm, and the solar cable which is used generally by all the quality vendors, which is nothing but Havells solar cable. Here you can see the branding, manufactured by Havells of 4 square mm. Okay, so this 4 square mm original solar cable are generally given a tin coating. Now let us see here the flexibility of the wire and the tin, And let's try to check here whether this is original wire or not. When you strike it over the wall, the tin gets attracted to the wall and original copper will come out, where you can see the quality and flexibility of the wire. This is how to identify the quality of the wire. Okay. And then coming to the panels, so generally uh, the Tata supplies six panels of 590 watts for its 3600 watt plant. And coming to here, Wari will generally supply a 3 kilowatt plant of 5 number, or Adani also will supply 5 number, which exactly match its 3 kilowatt rating. So multiple ratings are there. So what kind of rating is to be selected, that will be analyzed by your vendor. Okay. And basically you can see here, if you are selecting an Tata, then you are going to have the specification on the plant of the inverter is 3600 watts. Generally it will be 3300, and extra it can serve a load of 300 watts. So group B it is 3600 watt. So this is manufactured by the brand Solix Power, exclusively only for Tata Power Limited. Okay, all the warranty we are going to have and tie up with the vendor for a period of 5 years with an legal agreement. So this is a good awareness video which will be useful for you. Thank you for watching.